Okay, now I will create a BREP. So what is a BREP? BREP is a geometrical object which have generally volume. So the most primitive and the easiest to do is of course the box, which just need to specify the rectangle and the height, or the sphere. So if I will go here and sphere, I have to declare the center and the radius. So yeah, those are the basic ones. What is important that when I am clicking on it, I have a closed extrusion. Those word closed is a keyword. It means that I can calculate the volume of it. I will now create a surface, a planar surface, so something which doesn't have the volume. It means that it only have the area. So it has an open in the name. So if it's a closed extrusion or closed poly surface, it means that generally this is a BREP. Which we think as it is. Okay, then let's go into the extrude surface. Here, if you are opening, is the last one, and it also have the different variants, but I will choose the most simple one. So extrude surface. I will click on the surface which I created. Now I can extrude it. If I click on it, I see that generally I have a closed poly surface. What would happen if I will draw the planar surface and I would use the extrude closed planar surface? In general, I could not mark the surface. I could mark the curves. If I will lift it up, I will see that generally it figured out that this is a closed extrusion. Both objects are good, but I generally see that this surface and this extrusion, it's not, it's overlapping each other. So I have to, either I can delete or do like this. Last thing, if I would like to create a more sophisticated element, like for example, I have, let's create a circle. Let's create um, surface out of this circle. And now I would like to create extrusion. So I have to rotate 3D. So I have a line which I would like to move along my surface. I will just then go for uh, the um, the sweep. Extrude curve along the curve. So I'm grabbing this one and this one, and I have my geometry. Okay,